Hospitals along the Georgia-Florida border are reeling, trying to keep up with a record surge in COVID-19 patients. They say that they're seeing people coming in who are sicker and younger than they saw in previous spikes.
And hospital beds across the state are filling up as well. The Fox Medical Team's Beth Galvin has a look at what's happening in Brunswick and St. Mary's along the Georgia coast.
Hospitals along the South Georgia coast are filling up. These are the latest numbers according to the state. 99% of emergency department beds are full, 89% of ICU beds, and 92% of all inpatient beds are occupied in Hospital Region J. And the head of one health system there says the patients just keep coming.
Our staff are just beat down. I mean, it's really been hard for them.
Michael Schernick runs Southeast Georgia Health System, two hospitals with a combined about 250 beds in Glynn and Camden counties along the very southeastern tip of Georgia. And Schernick says right now things are not going well.
Right now, over half of our patients are COVID patients. And instead of what we saw, in fact, it's the worst we've been since the start of the pandemic over a year and a half ago.
The virus is spreading quickly in both counties near the Florida border. And Schernick says their ERs and ICUs are full, and about 95% of their hospitalized patients are unvaccinated.
Like a lot of Georgia, we have about 40% of our population here in Glynn County has been vaccinated, and about 29 or 30% in Camden County. Obviously, that's just not been enough to be able to protect us. And as a result, we're seeing really some really challenging cases, so many of whom are actually less than 59 years of age.
And just over half of the COVID-19 patients here are in their 50s or younger, he says, and many require intensive care.
And today, every day, we're looking to figure out where we're going to place patients and where we're going to get the staff to take care of those patients.
Schernick says they're also seeing a jump in children with COVID-19.
Right now, I think we only have about 3 or so patients that are under age 19, but they're in the hospital. We are seeing more and more children testing positive. We've been trying to tell people, get the vaccine.
Still, Schernick says he knows that even those who get their shots right now won't be fully protected for a few weeks. But with schools here set to open soon, he says they're pleading with people to wear masks and social distance because there is no end in sight.
Hopefully this thing, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks out, maybe will start to recede. But right now, the numbers are so high in terms of the transmission, we're just concerned that that's going to not going to end well if we're not careful.
And they had so many patients coming into their emergency department to get tested. They set up a separate drive-through Monday afternoon to test them outdoors. In just a few hours, they had more than 200 people come through to get tested. For your Fox Medical Team, I'm Beth Galvin.